Welcome to the Phone Transformer channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to take multiple photos in Samsung, step by step. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. First, grab your Samsung phone and open the camera app. You can easily find this app on your home screen or in the app drawer. Step 2. Once the camera app is open, look for the settings icon at the top left corner of the screen, then tap on it. Step 3. In the camera settings menu, scroll down until you see the option labeled Swipe Shutter Button 2. Tap on it to open more options. Step 4. Within this menu, make sure to select the Take Burst Shot option. This feature allows you to capture multiple photos in quick succession. After enabling it, go back to the main camera screen. Step 5. Now, position your camera towards the subject you want to capture. Instead of tapping the shutter button, swipe it downwards and your phone will instantly take multiple shots in burst mode. Step 6. Once the photos are taken, tap on the gallery icon located at the bottom left corner of the screen. Here, you'll see the multiple images captured in burst mode. Step 7. To select a specific photo, tap on the burst image and swipe through the shots. Choose the best picture, then tap on the download icon to save it to your phone. If you want to delete the unselected images, tap on the delete icon and confirm by pressing the save button. And that's it. You've successfully taken multiple photos using burst mode on your Samsung phone. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.